Bonjour, Maajiinigod. Greetings, my relatives. Gwiiwizens indigenous cause. My name is Eagle Boy. Makwan and Do Dame. And Bear is my clan. Mikinakwa Jew Anishinaabe Shkuniganing and Dunji. I'm from the Turtle Mountain Chippewa Reservation. Kiwi Tapachimu Tunanim. I want to tell you a story. Gwiiwizens ga Maajiinigod Makwan Ishinikade. A boy who was carried away by a bear. It's called. Ingodingego da Gwaban Anishinaabe. Once upon a time, there were some people. Bejiga kiwenzi nibwa odayawan unijanisa. This one old man, he had lots of kids. Bejig o gozesan, mujag o paketewan. One of his sons he would often hit. Ingoding pakete o got Gwiiwizenski machipatu nupaming. And once when the boy was being hit, he ran off into the woods. Apatut me gweyak. While he was running through the trees, Besho ogiwapaman Makwan. He saw a bear close by. Mikashite pepenegot. And then he was grabbed by him. Epichise kiset pipagit. He was so scared, he yelled, "Ah!" Ka pipa get ogiwane naman, o son ogin gaye. And when he yelled, he lost all memory of his mom and dad. Mishkwatitash inu Makwan ka sagi at. Instead, he was fond of that bear. Kawinogi nisikusin. He wasn't killed by him. Aminanguana pishawenamikut. It turns out he came to be blessed by him. Wasanupaming ga Maajiinigod Makwan. And he was taken far into the woods by that bear. Wewenioki kanuenamikun. And he was well taken care of by him. Nujas odegun. My grandchild, he was called by him. And apane ogi papa wijiwigun. And he was always accompanied by him. Ogi papa mi janawan anuj edetagen. They would go around and eat all the things that were ripe. Eguding odegono mishumisan Makwan. And once that his grandfather bear says to him, "Ambe, come on, ejada iwidi. Let's go over there. Mi ima nishanabeg odatunawan mijim." Over there, the people, they store some food. Awikimudida. Let's go steal it. Misago get kaishi shawati widi. So sure enough, they went over there. Minnesance, Atani Chikipig. There was a little island near the shore. Umishumasan Makwan Utegun. His grandpa bear says to him, "Anujas, ayan oma. Grandchild, stay here in Ganasik Khan, a Sanjigan. I'm going to get that storage, food storage." Misago gayeshi bemata gazit makwanishati widim in a sensing. So the bear, he waded across the water, going over to that little island. Gomapi go o noondan Gwiiwizens. After a while that boy heard it. Mama dwe bedunit. Wigwas agwanegadanik Makwan. The bear was tearing the birch bark off the food storage. Mitash patut Makwan. Then here comes the bear running. Bimidakonang makakushkwemon. He was carrying those little boxes. We bad the bitakushanukanishana bege tegiban. We it. The people will come soon to where the food storage is, he hollered. Gajawat wasa gikito makwa. When they gone a long way, the bear says, Ambe, oma wisinida. Come on, let's eat here. Gashkwa wisini wat gikito makwa. When they got done eating, the bear says, Nebada, let's sleep. Apichi gishateni. It was really warm. Gagidamawat gani majawag. When they had eaten everything up, they left. Opapa mi janawan. Anuchgekun, they did taken, they went around and ate various things that became ripe. Ani bebunenig odegono mishumasan. When it was getting close to winter, his grandpa says to him, Anda wabandandage yayang. Let's look for where we're gonna stay. Mi dashkaishi onapandang inguchi. And then he found a place, Makwa, the bear. Mi mao gioshituton wash. And there he made his den. Ani pepone neki pindigewak. And when it became winter, they went in there. Kape pepone ba makwa. The bear slept all winter. Gwiiwizens ogiwi pe man o mishumisan. The little boy, he slept with his grandpa, Kawinwika gi kikachisi. And he was never cold. Ani ni penenik, when it was getting summer, giabi pangi gunikanik, when there was still a little bit of snow on the ground, gisaga muk, they came out. Mi dasho de gunu mishumisan. And then his grandpa says to him, Iwede ishada sibing. Let's go over there to the river. Nipua giguya gayawag. There's lots of fish there. Misago gege gaji shawa iwede sibing. So sure enough, they went over there to the river. Gege to go nipua gayawag giguyag. And there were lots of fish there for sure. Gaishite pepinawat nipua chamwawat. And they caught a lot to eat. And banima go ga ishkwa ayanet giguyan gianimajawak. And later, after the fish weren't there anymore, they went on their way. Gega pisa go otegono mishumesan. Eventually his grandpa says to him, Nucius, grandchild, Mishigwachi giwe winanan. It's time for me to take you home. Ozam kashkendamuk, kinigi ikuk. Your grandparents are too lonesome. Your parents are too lonesome. Iwide ijada eyawat. Let's go over there to where they're at. Misago gege gaishe shawate wide. So sure enough, they went over there. Sagay ganing dagoshinowat. They arrived at a lake. Me ima antawapamat mitigun makwa. Jiki Beak. And there the bear was looking for a tree on the shore. Ogi Makwan Beshik Mitagun. And he went over to one tree, Bitakiso Nitama, that was standing there. Mi dash Odenano Ogosa's son, and Neil Gwiiwizens' son. And then he talked to his grandson, that boy. Nujas Odenan, my grandchild, he says to him. Gishben wika nundeskadeyan kanushishin. If you ever become hungry, call me. Gigadashamin, I will feed you. Mi dashkayashi ajat gwikatig Gwiiwizens. And then when the boy went to the other side of the tree, Ogiwane namano mishumasan. He lost all memory of his grandfather. Misa goga ani shot Jiki Beak. So he went off down the shore there. Bemata gamet, going along the shore. Bemata Bemashagame, going along the shore. Midashkayashi wapamate kwewan. And then he saw some women. In Gil Kwewag, Giwapamawad, Gwiiwizens al Bidasamosenet, Gega Ogi Nisataw in Nawawan. When them women they saw a boy coming, they barely recognized him. Bejegi go pibatut, awe tabachimut. One ran up from the water, going to tell the news. Awia, Bidasamose, someone's coming. Mi dashchi aya agi sagichi batuwag. Nazabi batuwa. Giwapa mawat o gozes iwanka wani awat ga nibenu. And the elders, they ran out of their wigwams and down to the water, and there they saw their boy that they had lost since last summer. Mi iwe ishinakosipan gawanishingipan. And he looked the same as he did back then. Gawindashogika gwejamasi wawan. So they didn't ask him anything. Anishna gosawa. Turns out they were afraid of him. Gawin minoawika kwenzi oki pakatewasi. That old man never ever hit him again. Ingo dinge go matue gigadot Gwiiwizens. One time that boy was heard. Nimishumis, ninun deskade, ashamishin. My grandpa, I'm hungry, feed me. Midashigo wiba awia pibi bagit. And then soon someone came running. Makwa pemadage, a bear swimming by. Misago gaishi nasabi patuwat. So they ran down to the water. Mi imagi wapa mawat, Makwan pemataganet. And there they saw the bear swimming by. Gibuzi gwashkwaniwako ji maniwang. They jumped in their canoes. Gwiiwizens wewibogi nasakan bagamagan. The boy hurried up and got his work club. Gewingi buzi. Him too, he got in a canoe. Bimishkawat, Nuji Awat Makwan. They were paddling, going after that bear. Midashkaeshi Ayawat Beshu. And then when they got close, Ishkamgi Besika Makwa. The bear slowed down. Away Gwiiwizens ikito. That boy says, Ninsa! Inga pakatewa. It'll be me. I will strike him. Midash Gaiji Odesawat Makwan Bemata Gainet. And then when they arrived right where the bear was swimming, Gwiiwizens ga umpenang o bagamagan, when he lifted up his work club, Makwa Dabashish in the queenie. He lowered his head. Abedink pakte what Gwiiwizens. The boy hit him once. Gi nibunet Makwan, and the bear died. Me iwe upene gayashi way visit away Gwiiwizens. That's always what happened for that boy. Gishben wika, my dwe gigadut, if he was ever heard saying, Nimishumis, Ninu deskade, Ashamishin. My grandpa, I'm hungry, feed me. Me dash weeba awea bibi bagit. Then soon somebody would come running. Makwa beshu, bija. A bear is coming, close by. Me dash gayashi shawena mikuto mishumisan Makwan. And that's how he was blessed by his grandpa. The end.